Hi, my name is Kelly.
And I'm Kelsey.
And we are Stunts 4-2. Woo! And today we are going to be doing 3 easy stunts. Okay, so here we go. The first one is called the chair. So up, and then this is it, and I'm just going to let my arms down and then fall over to the side. The next one is airplane. So it goes like this. And then I just come back down. And then the last one is the it's kind of like a cobra, I guess. Just another version of the airplane. Okay. And make sure the spotter's arms are at your knees. And so then you can also touch your head, but we're not going to do that today. And that's it. Have fun doing your airplanes. It's kind of simple video. So have fun.